Here are some crazy cat facts. You know how they say cats always land on their feet? Well, that is a lie. Cats can survive a fall of up to 32 stories with minimal injuries. You think they do that by landing on their feet? No, cats are smarter than you, and they know that they'll break their legs and then they'll die. So instead, they land on their stomachs and then they just walk away. Now, how do they know to do that? Did they take AP Physics? They just know. Terminal velocity comes pre-installed. Wow. It is also a known fact that cats have godlike hearing, but did you know that they have 32 muscles per ear? 32, that is a very large number. How does it fit in there? You think it's impressive that dogs can taste water? Yeah, well, cats can hydrate with seawater because their kidneys can just filter out the excess sodium. Why can't we do that? Not to mention, they've caused the extinction of 33 different species. What? They're gonna come for us next. Our only hope is